Hello, amazing people. So, once again, I welcome you to this channel, Tech with Mr. Ajay. If you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe and share this video with your friends. So, today I'm going to demonstrate you how do you install a Shopify theme for your website, how you enable it, how you customize the design according to the template, and then activate it or purchase the theme and then go live and do your business. So, as you can see right on your screen, I have searched through some themes, which is home garden themes and online store theme, and these are part of the collections which is there. There are few that is free, which is 2, and then paid are 37. But there are many other categories. If you're looking for a design or an industry specific templates, which might be free or paid, you can go ahead and search here. Now what it does, so when I look at the catalog and I see there are various options available whichever suits my business, and I go and select that. Before doing anything, let's just preview. At least you see the price is $240, but you can try this. Free unlimited trial is available, so you can use this theme without purchasing it, just to showcase your business manager or your business owner how your business will look, and then you can decide if you like the purchase it. If don't like it, don't purchase it, go and try some other themes. Okay, so once you see that, you go and view the demo store. Yeah, okay, I see. Okay, all the features are good. Okay, I'll try this theme. So what I have to do, first of all, you need a Shopify account. If you already have that, then you go ahead, you the theme you like, you just click on try theme. Once you do that, this will add a theme trial to your online store. Do you agree? Yes. Okay, say try theme. I say okay. And the magic starts here. It start adding the theme to your profile, the Shopify profile, because you see I'm already logged into my account. And once your setup is done, what you can do is, let's see. So while waiting for the theme to install, I'll quickly walk you around. Oh, seems like it's already active. Oh, so look how amazing this is going to be. All the images and all the sections that you customize, it will do the wonder for you. Now, if you want to customize, go customize the theme, and that's a different part, and I'll cover that in detail tomorrow. But for now, you now know where do you get it and how do you install it, and then start activating and customizing it. That's for sure. Okay. Now, if you go back to the back end of your dashboard, you will see this is the other theme which I just tried. Okay. And just now, I tried the other one. So this icon theme is there. If tomorrow your manager is saying, no, 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 I don't like this theme, this design, you go and just click on remove. Okay. So you remove it and that's it. You're done. Nothing is going to impact your website because your website is currently working on a different theme which is live, and all the theme installation that you do on the backend will not impact your live website. All the changes you can do without any hesitation, and preview link can be shared with your admin or the business owner. And once they approve, you can go ahead, make website live, purchase theme. Let's say if you are okay with this theme, what you can do, you can go buy. Once you go buy, and then you can activate the theme. So that's how we do it. Thank you so much for now. If you have any queries or if you need to set up your Shopify website, just contact me or connect with me on this channel, and I'll be happy to help you for all the business needs. Thank you so much for now. Stay connected. See ya.